consciousness to be a better version of yourself. All the functions the human body performs are two types of actions mainly: voluntary actions and involuntary actions. Voluntary actions are those which can be controlled by our will. For example, eating, doing exercise, working, studying, movement of our hands and legs. Basically, whatever activity which requires us to think before doing is a voluntary action. Whereas involuntary actions are those which we cannot control and happens by themselves. For example, breathing, beating of our heart, blood circulation, digestion. These are activities in which, irrespective of us thinking about them or not, they happen. So it can be said, what we do in life or how successful we become in life all depends on the voluntary actions which we perform, right? And as I mentioned, voluntary actions are controlled by our thoughts or our thinking. An average person has about 60,000 thoughts per day, which roughly means we have 41 thoughts per minute. But out of those 41 thoughts in a minute, how many are really related to actions we are performing? If you think about it, you will realize that hardly 5 to 7 thoughts are related to the productive activity which you are doing, and other thoughts are just distractions which are coming in the way and hindering you from giving your 100%. Imagine if you are able to reduce your thoughts to the extent where all your thoughts are only related to the work you are doing. When this happens, your productivity will increase many folds. This can be only achieved through consciousness. Friends, consciousness is a state where we are in complete control of our thoughts. We are aware of what we are thinking, and we can focus our attention to just one thing which we are doing at that moment. To increase our level of consciousness, it is extremely important to practice meditation. And when we practice meditation, we train our mind to be conscious and alert. Meditation increases our consciousness level, and at the same time, whatever activity we indulge into after meditation, our level of attention and awareness towards that activity increases considerably. With regular practice of consciousness, meditation, our work efficiency increases many folds. Even the thoughts which come to our mind are all related to the work we are involved. We are able to do our job better than others, more effectively and efficiently.